Welcome to the Calm Within, your home for all things relaxation and meditation. Be sure to subscribe to get all of our latest guided meditations. If you find our content helpful, drop us a comment and smash that like button. We really appreciate your support. Join us in this guided meditation focused on muscle relaxation and pain relief. Find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down, and gently close your eyes. To begin, let's take a couple of deep breaths together. Breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Deep breath in. And as you exhale, let go of any tension or stress you may be carrying. Bring your attention to your breath. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest with each inhale and exhale. Allow your breath to flow naturally without any effort or control. Give yourself permission to let go and find a sense of ease and relaxation. Notice the natural rhythm of your breath. Let your breath guide you into a state of deep relaxation and inner calm. Now, bring your awareness to any areas of your body that maybe you're experiencing pain or discomfort. Instead of resisting or avoiding these sensations, gently direct your attention to them. Approach them with kindness and curiosity, acknowledging their presence. Visualize a warm and soothing light enveloping the areas of pain and discomfort. See this light as a healing energy, bringing relief and relaxation to your muscles and tissues. Allow the light to penetrate deep within, soothing any tension or discomfort. With each breath, imagine that you're breathing in healing energy and exhaling any pain or tension. Visualize this energy flowing through your body, bringing nourishment and restoration to the affected areas. As you focused on the injured or tense areas, send them messages of love and compassion. Offer yourself words of encouragement and support, acknowledging your body's innate ability to heal and recover. Expand your awareness to the rest of your body, noticing the areas that are free from pain and discomfort. Feel gratitude for the comfort and well-being present in those parts of your body. Embrace the sensations of ease and relaxation that exists within you. As we come to an end of this meditation, express gratitude for your body's resilience and its capacity to heal. Trust in the healing process and have patience with yourself as you continue on your journey of recovery. When you are ready, slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Gently stretch your body. And open your eyes. Thank you for joining us at The Calm Within, your sanctuary for peace, mindfulness, and self-discovery. Remember to breathe deeply, embrace stillness, and find solace in the present moment. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more soothing content. If you believe our guided meditations can help someone you know, please share it with them. Your support means the world to us and is deeply appreciated. Until next time, may tranquility guide your path, and may you always find the calm within.